magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. This is your Spacer and Space Commander, Professor June Cajigal from the Vedan Society of Young Astronomers, San Beda University, Manila. And welcome to this online telescope viewing of our waning gibbous moon. Alright, so time check, it's 12:03 a.m. Ayan po, so talagang nilagay ko na ho dito sa ating live stream October 23 na po. Alright, and talagang overhead po yung ating buwan ngayon, and the sky is really clear. And hindi po ako makatulog, so I just got my telescope, and here we are. Nagla-live po tayo ngayon, and I just would like to share to all of you itong image ng ating waning gibbous moon at about 95 or 96% illumination. Again, today is midnight of October 23, early morning of October 23, 2021. Time check po, it's 12:04 a.m. na ho. And sana gising pa ho kayo. At sana may nanonood po ngayon, pero hindi ako talaga makatulog, ewan kung bakit. So ito pong ginawa ko, kinuha ko po yung aking reflecting telescope, and kinabitan ko po ng webcam ulit, and here I am, nagla-live po ako sa inyo ngayon. Alright, so tangkilikin po ninyo ang ganda ng ating waning gibbous moon tonight. Or should I say early morning na po. Okay, so ayan po, siguro talagang gusto ko lang po tumingin ngayon sa kalawakan, at kasi po every time na tumitingin po ako sa buwan talagang nakaka-relieve po ng stress. As they say, stargazing is a form of stress reliever. Ayan, so sana kung may mga gising pa ho ngayon anayin po natin, just look up. Ayan, and tingnan natin po yung ating waning gibbous moon po. Alright. Okay. Ayan po, so sana may gising pa. Moon tonight. Okay, ayan. So we have now 6 viewers. So sana may okay, so magpa-shoutout muna tayo, at maraming salamat at may mga nanonood po sa atin ngayon ngayong early morning of October 23. Okay, so magandang gabi ulit kay Mr. Jesse James De Jesus. Ayan po, so nanonood po siya ngayon, maraming salamat. And shout out din kay Miss Gwyneth Ragay. Okay, magandang umaga po ma'am, buti gising pa ho kayo. At si Sir Jesse James, gising pa rin po hanggang ngayon, salamat. And wow, si Miss Chantel ST po na, gising pa siya. Estudyante ko po siya. So magandang gabi sa iyo, Chantel Estepona. Good evening daw, sir. And tapos daw niya yung kanyang worksheet ayan sa about the moon. Okay, good job Miss Estepona, and thank you for watching this online telescope viewing of our waning gibbous moon. Okay, tangkilikin po din natin po yung mga astronomy enthusiasts na nagaganito din, like sila Mr. Michael Agabao and si Mr. Jesse James din po. Nagaganito din po sila. Yan, so tangkilikin po natin yung kanilang mga ginagawa sa astronomy. Okay. Alright, so nanonood po si Mr. Jet Ramirez. Ayan, shout out daw po. Ayan, so kung if possible po, paki-indicate na rin po yung lugar ninyo para malaman po natin kung hanggang saan po nakakaabot ang ating live stream po ngayon. Like the last time, I think last Wednesday, nag-live po ako ng full moon. Ayan po, nakaabot po kami hanggang Mindanao and nakaabot din po kami sa Pampanga. And I think may nag-comment sa Ilocos Sur, galing Ilocos Sur. Okay, so marami pong salamat sa mga nanonood po ngayon. Kaya meron tayong 6 viewers and it's midnight. Time check, it's 12:08 a.m. So marami pong salamat sa mga gising ngayon. Okay, and you are now viewing on screen our waning gibbous moon. Ibig sabihin po ng waning, the moon is starting to appear smaller. Medyo yung appearance po ng buwan, lumiliit po siya. Okay, and unlike pag sinabing waxing, the moon appears to be growing in size. And usually po pag waning na, waning gibbous, then last quarter, and yung waning crescent, usually mga madaling araw na po yan nakikita. Okay, and napakaswerte po natin ngayon kasi I think may bagyo, may low pressure area sa somewhere in Visayas. So napakaswerte po natin ngayon, we have clear skies tonight. Ayan, so sabi ni Sir Jesse James de Jesus, hindi daw siya makatulog. Ayan, sa gabi. Kay isip daw sa pagtulog, buwan ang siyang panaginip. Okay, so pareho lang tayo, sir. So iba talagang buwan no? What do you say about that, Miss Chantel Estipona? And oh wow, si Miss Hannah Marie France Tan pala nanonood. So good morning na Miss Tan. So siguro after this, matulog na kayo. Okay, so thank you Miss Tan and I hope you have a great weekend ahead. And sa mga nanonood po sa atin ngayon, happy weekend po. And nanonood din po si Sir JP Baribar. Yan, all the way from Caloocan City. Yan, maraming salamat po sir for tuning in sa ating online telescope viewing. Ayan, si Sir JP, I think nakasama ko po sila sa isang webinar yan, sa DepEd. Okay, so thank you po Sir Baribar and paki-like and share po mga ka-spacers natin out there. Kindly like and share itong online telescope viewing natin so that we could inspire more students to love the sciences, lalong-lalo na po ang astronomy. And yun ang ginagawa nila Sir Baribar. Actually gumagawa po sila ng mga science videos. So yan, yung kanilang advocacy. So again, Sir JP, marami pong salamat. And sa mga nakatutok po sa atin ngayong early morning of October 23, again, please like and share our online telescope viewing this early morning of October 23. Ayan, sabi ni Mr. Jet Ramirez, yan, abot sir daw sa Mars. Medyo choppy daw ng konti. Okay, ayan, so marami pong salamat Mr. Jet Ramirez at talagang isa kayo sa mga suki nating mga ka-spacers. Ayan, okay. So thank you po sa inyong pagtutok. And again po, please like and share itong online telescopic viewing natin of the waning gibbous moon. Okay, so I'm now magnifying the image of the moon. Ayan, so kung nakatutok pa si Miss Tan and si Miss Estipona, watch and be fascinated of our magnified image of the moon. So ang nakikita niyo po ngayon ay yung ito pong Copernicus crater. Ayan, so that's the Copernicus crater. Kaya lang hindi masyadong maganda yung Copernicus crater pag ganitong phase ng moon. Maganda yan pag mga 60% illumination yung buwan. Okay, and you're seeing those dark patches. So those dark patches are lunar plains. Mga patag po yan ng buwan. And yung parang nasa gitna na yan, that's the Sea of Tranquility kung saan po naglanding yung Apollo 11. Alright, so yung mga puti-puti na nakikita nyo, again, those are lunar highlands and impact craters. And ayan po, ginigitna ko na po yung Tycho crater. Ayan, so magandang crater na yan. Maganda ito pag ganitong mga waning gibbous, yung mga waxing gibbous phase. That crater was named after Tycho Brahe or Tycho Brahe, who is considered one of the greatest of the naked eye astronomers. Ayan, itong crater na ito siguro mas malaki pa to sa Las Piñas. And you are viewing this magnified image of the moon live po from Las Piñas. Ayan po. So dyan po nakatutok po yung aking telescope. Right, so again po yung mga dark patches na yan, those are called seas or Marias. Kasi again yung mga sinaunang mga sailors noon, as they navigate the seas and tumisilip sila sa buwan, they thought that those dark patches are actually bodies of water. But when Galileo pointed his telescope towards the moon, ayan, so nagbago na ang ating perception of the moon. So Galileo saw mountains, those craters, and those plains. Ayan. Okay, so sana nag-enjoy po kayo at nagustuhan niyo po itong magnified image of the moon natin. Alright, so there. So sana marami po kayong natutunan. Okay, so again, marami pong salamat. Shout out ulit kina Jesse James De Jesus. Marami pong salamat sa inyong pagtutok ngayong early morning of October 23. Marami ding salamat kay Gwyneth Ragay, kay Chantel Estepona, and si Miss Hannah Maripastan. Ayan, thank you sa inyong pagtutok. And siguro pagkatapos nito ay matulog na kayo. Magpahinga na kayo. And ayan, si Sir JP Baribar all the way from Caloocan. So maraming salamat sir. And ayan, si Sir Jesse James nag-care react siya. So again mga ka-spacers, please like and share itong ating online telescope viewing. And gusto ko din i-shout out lahat yung mga nakatutok po ngayon, kina Paul, John, Eugenio, kay Benjamin Reyes, and kay Sofia Arwen, and kay Mr. Alexander Kabatingan Monte. Okay, so thank you for tuning in sa ating online telescope viewing of the waning gibbous moon at 95% illumination. So my telescope is pointed at this waning gibbous moon this early morning of October 23, 2021. Alright. So ayan po yung mga dark patches po ulit na nakikita nyo on screen are lunar plains, and yung mga white bright areas of the moon are lunar highlands and impact craters. Ayan, and kitang-kita po talaga yung Tycho crater and yung Copernicus crater, though yung Copernicus crater hindi masyadong spectacular, hindi maganda pong kasi masyadong maliwanag pa. Pero yung Tycho crater maganda po, di ba? And may makikita kayong mga white streaks or lines radiating along the rim of the crater. Again, those are rays or ejecta, and that points out that the Tycho crater was created or was formed from an impact event. So tinamaan po yung buwan ng isang probably a large asteroid that created the Tycho crater and even the Copernicus crater. In fact, most of the craters po sa moon ay ganyan po. They were formed from an impact event. Yan. Kasi ang moon walang atmosphere. So walang pipigil sa mga asteroids or objects that will bombard the moon. Unlike sa Earth, diba? So ang mundo natin ay may atmosphere, and meteors, they burn up in our atmosphere. Okay, yung mga malalaking objects like the asteroids, yeah, they burn up in the atmosphere. Tatama po yan sa Earth, pero nawawala din po yung mga craters because of erosion, di ba? Alright, so ayan po yung, pero may mga craters din na na-preserve like yung meteor crater sa Arizona. Alright, so that's the moon. Mga ka-spacers na nakatutok po ngayong gabi. Okay, so maraming salamat. Sana di kayo magsawa. Kung clear po yung sky ay maggaganito po tayo. And the Vedan Society of Young Astronomers, kami ay natutuwa at ganito po yung aming advocacy. Kasi po talagang we cannot do public telescope viewings at the moment. Nakakalungkot nga lang kasi usually ganitong ginagawa po namin. We bring our telescope sa mall, we bring our telescope sa park like sa Luneta, malls like SM yan and Robinsons. Dinadala po namin yung mga telescopes namin. But unfortunately because of the COVID-19 pandemic hindi po namin magawa yan. So this is the best thing that we can do. We can do our telescope viewing online. And again, we are bringing the telescope to you, mga ka-spacers. Ganyan po talaga ang aming advocacy dito sa BSYA. And even in sa Manila Street Astronomers because I am also a core member of the Manila Street Astronomers. Okay, and siguro bago po tayo magpatuloy, gusto ko muna pong batiin yung isa sa mga volunteers po namin sa MSA and sa BSYA, si Miss Camille. Yan, si Miss Camille. Okay, so happy birthday, Miss Camille. Yan, actually kahapon po yan. Kahapon yung birthday niya. Okay, so ayan po yung ating waning gibbous moon at 95% illumination. Alright, so si Miss Gwyneth Ragay ay taga Negros Oriental pala. At umuulan dyan, Miss Ragay, kasi nandyan po yung low pressure area. Somewhere dyan sa Visayas. Yan, namumuo po yung low pressure area dyan. Okay, so thank you for that info, Miss Ragay. Ayan, and again si Mr. JP Baribar ay taga Caloocan. So nakakaabot po tayo sa Caloocan ngayon. Alright. So again, thank you sa mga nanonood po ngayon. Kina Colt Vega. And si Miss Cheryl Castillo. Ayan, nanonood po kayo, ma'am. Thank you for tuning in sa ating online telescope viewing of the waning gibbous moon. So like and share po, ma'am, sa mga students nyo. Ayan ang ating online telescope viewing this early morning of October 23. And si Mr. Paul John Eugenio, again marami pong salamat sir for tuning in ngayon. Ayan, and together with Jet Ramirez, Benjamin Reyes, Chantel Estepona, JP Baribar, Sophia Arwen, Gwyneth Ragay, Mr. Jesse James De Jesus, Miss Hannah Tan. Ayan, so kaway-kaway ka naman, Miss Hannah Tan, and Mr. Alexander Kabanting Monte. Ayan po. So yan, so I hope you are enjoying our online telescope viewing, and I hope hindi lang po kayo nag-enjoy, I hope you are learning a lot sa ating online telescope viewing of the waning gibbous moon at 95% illumination. And did you know, mga ka-spacers, that our moon is quite far from the earth? In fact, you need 30 earths yan to fill that gap between the earth and the moon. Ganyan po kalayo ang ating buwan. So kailangan nyo pa ng 30 earths to fill that space between the earth and the moon. Okay, and if for your information po, mga ka-spacers, it took the Apollo spacecraft about 4 days just to reach the moon. So talagang malayo po talaga ang buwan. Pero you are viewing now, parang abot kamay nyo na po yung buwan, di ba? Kasi yung ginagamit kong telescope. Ayan. Okay, sabi ni Colt Vega, live long and prosper. Ayan. Okay, so mukhang nahalata niya yung suot ko, na which is a Starfleet uniform. Opo, mga ka-spacers, talagang avid fan po ako ng Star Trek. Okay, so what I'm wearing now is a Starfleet uniform. Ayan po. Okay, and every time po nagla-live ako or even pag nag-online class po ako, talagang yun ang sinusuot ko, yung aking Starfleet uniform. Okay, so again, in a few minutes, we will magnify the image of the moon, probably for the last time. Ayan, para makatulog na rin yung aking mga students na nanonood ngayon na sila Miss Chantel Estepona and si Miss Hannah Tan. Okay, so kung may mga questions po kayo about the moon, you can just comment down below. Or kung gusto niyo lang po magpa-shoutout, mangumusta, at kung gising pa po kayo and mag-comment lang po kayo. Kung nagagandahan po kayo sa ating lunar image po ngayon, just comment down below. Kung may naalala po kayo, kung naalala niyo inyong mga loved ones, yung mga jowa ninyo, ayan, at pag nakikita ko yung buwan, naalala ko siya, ganun. You can just share it with us. Okay, ayan po. And talagang nakakamangha po yung buwan talaga. Ayan po, so we are now magnifying the image of the moon. Ayan, so you can see now those dark patches. Those dark patches are lunar planes, mga patag po yan ng buwan. Okay, and yung nasa gitna po, ayan na, that's the Sea of Tranquility. Ayan, kung sa naglanding yung Apollo 11. And baka magtataka kayo bakit tinawag na Sea or Maria. Kasi yung mga early sailors po noon, akala nila those dark patches were bodies of water. So akala nila may tubig daw sa buwan. Pero when Galileo pointed his telescope, yan, nagbago lahat ng ating perception about the moon. And akala ng mga sinaunang panahon ay yung buwan natin ay smooth. It has a smooth surface na parang crystal ball. But when Galileo pointed his telescope towards the moon, Galileo saw craters, Galileo saw mountains, and then valleys, and yung mga plains na yan. And it gave us a different perception of the moon. Ayan po. And ayan, ginigit na ko po yung Copernicus crater, yung maliwanag na yan. That's the Copernicus crater. Kaya lang masyadong hindi masyadong maganda or spectacular. Hindi kagaya po nito. Nakikita nyo ngayon on screen, the Tycho crater. Ayan po. With the ejecta, yung mga puti-puti sa gilid niyan, those are ejecta or rays. And that will point out that the Tycho crater was formed from an impact event. So ayan po, yan dalawang craters na yan. Nakikita nyo, yung isa yung Tycho and yung isa yung Copernicus crater. Napakalaking craters nila. Right, and just imagine that you are on board the Apollo spacecraft and kunyari po you are orbiting the moon. Ayan po. Pag nagte-telescope po ako, yan ang lagi kong iniisip na para kung nasa Apollo spacecraft in orbit around the moon. Okay, so ayan po yung ating magnified image. So sana nagustuhan nyo yan, Miss Cheryl Castillo. Yan, so I dedicate that magnified image ng moon sa inyo. Yan, kasi alam kong yan ang gustong-gusto ninyo. Yung magnified image. Okay, sabi ni Sir Jesse James, wala daw siyang girlfriend. Na in love lang daw talaga siya sa buwan. Ayan. Sir Jesse James, malay nyo, di ba? Okay, baka may mauntog dyan at ma-in love sa inyo. And sabay kayo na titingin sa buwan, no? You can share your telescope yan with a girl. Malay mo, di ba? Diyan kayo magtagpo, diyan kayo ma-in love sa telescope mo. Alright, and yan, sabi ni Miss Emily Castillo Varon. Alright, thank you for this opportunity po. Ang ganda talaga ng buwan. Marami pong salamat, Miss Emily Castillo Varon. Okay. So, buti gising pa ho kayo. Ayan. And please like and share po yung ating lunar image. Kung kayo ay nasa field of education, you can share this online telescope viewing with your students para ma-inspire din po natin sila to love the sciences, especially astronomy. Okay po. And ang ginagamit ko po na telescope dito is a reflecting telescope. Ayan, medyo paborito ko yung reflecting kasi yung reflecting telescope, it eliminates chromatic aberration or color fringes. And the reflecting telescope was made by Isaac Newton. Siya yung nag-design ng reflecting telescope. telescope. In fact, the largest telescopes here on Earth are reflectors. Even po yung mga mga orbiting telescopes, yung mga space telescopes like the Hubble, yan, those are reflecting telescopes. Pero ibang klase yung design nila. Alright, yung ginamit ni Galileo is a refractor that uses lenses. Pero mga ka-spacers, hindi si Galileo ang nag-imbento ng telescope. The telescope was invented by Hans Lippershey. Okay? Kaya lang kasi when Galileo got heard of that news of the telescope, ayun, hindi niya pinatubili, nagpinoint niya kagad sa kalawakan. Okay? Kasi yung mga telescopes po noon, ang gamit po niyan is to spot enemy ships. Kaya ang tawag sa kanila noon is the spyglass. Di ba ho? Okay, so ayan, but when Galileo made his own telescope, he pointed the telescope towards the night sky. And marami siyang nakita. Ayan, pinutok niya po sa buwan. Ito yung mga nakita niya, mga craters, yung mga valleys na yan, mga plains. Then tinutok din po niya yung telescope niya sa Jupiter and he saw the four largest moons of Jupiter. Si Io, Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa. And he also pointed his telescope sa Saturn and may nakita siya parang rabbit's ears, but those are actually the rings of Saturn. So ayan po yun si Galileo. And he pointed also his telescope sa Venus and he saw Venus changing shape or phases much like the moon. Okay, and that is an evidence to support the Copernican model. Kaya lang yung binalita ni Galileo yun, inaresto siya. Ayan, and he was tried by the Inquisition, he was found guilty of heresy, and he was sentenced to life imprisonment. Yun ang nangyari po kay Galileo. Okay, so dun sa mga nakatutok po ngayong gabi, early morning of October 23, marami pong salamat sa inyong pagtutok at pag-tune in po ngayon sa ating online telescope viewing of the waning gibbous moon. So, marami pong salamat at gising pa ho kayo. Time check, it's 12:30. Ayan, on a weekend. Okay, Sabado na po ngayon, early morning of October 23, Saturday. Okay, and yan, sana bago kayo matulog, tumingin mo muna kayo sa inyong mga computer screen or cellphone and just appreciate po the beauty of our waning gibbous moon this early morning of October 23. Ayan po, so kasi madaling araw lang po talaga medyo magandang tignan ang mga waning gibbous, last quarter, then waning crescent. Yan, mga early morning na po yan. Hindi niya sila late na po sila nga akyat sa horizon niya pag mga waning. So this is the opportunity po mga ka-spacers, grab the opportunity. And I'm using this online platform para ma-appreciate po ninyo ang ganda ng ating buwan this early morning of October 23. Okay, so marami pong salamat sa mga gising pa ngayon. Ayan, kina Miss Emily Castillo Varon, marami pong salamat. Kay Mr. Amit Dixit, ayan, thank you po. Si Mr. Rainiel Jeronimo Zent Raven Benliro, marami pong salamat sir. Kay Mr. Francis Bedanya, okay, thank you po. Si Miss Cheryl Castillo na nanonood po ngayon, marami pong salamat. Okay, and together with Mr. Paul John Eugenio, Jet Ramirez, Benjamin Reyes, Chantel Estepona, JP Baribar, Sophia Arwen Gwyneth Ragay, and si Miss Hannah Tan and Alexander Monte. Okay, marami pong salamat. And again, you are viewing the magnified image of our waning gibbous moon. And nakikita nyo now on screen is the Tycho crater. Ayan po. So namnamin po ninyo ang ganda ng ating Tycho crater. Ayan po. And nakikita nyo po ngayon, ginigitna ko yung Copernicus crater na ito. Yan yung parang maliwanag na yan na puti. Kaya lang hindi masyadong spectacular kasi maliwanag yung loob, yung depression ng crater. Mas maganda po yan pag 60% illuminated yung moon. And ito po yung mga dark patches, yung mga itim-itim na yan, those are lunar planes. And siguro nagtataka kayo kung nakakapunod po kayo ng aming mga online telescope viewing. Baka magtanong kayo, bakit yun lagi ang ating tingin sa buwan? Hindi ba natin makita yung kabila? Di ba? So yung nakikita po natin is called the near side of the moon. Yung kabila is the far side of the moon. Yung near side lang po yung nakikita natin because our moon is in a tidal lock with the earth. Okay? So ang ibig lang sabihin po niyan yung period of rotation ng buwan, which is more or less 1 month, is also equal to the period of its revolution around the earth. Isang buwan, yan po. So yung rotation niya on its axis and yung revolution niya around the earth are almost the same. So ang tawag po dyan is synchronous rotation. Okay? Or our moon is in a tidal lock or is in a synchronous rotation with our earth. That's why we only see one side of the moon. Okay? Sana hindi po kayo magsawa kahit yun lang po yung lagi nakikita natin. And ako nga po, since when I was a kid, talagang yun na po yung tinitignan ko. At hindi po ako nagsasawa. Ayan, kasi napakaganda po talaga ng buwan. It gives me that feeling of relaxation. Ayan, pag may problema ako, ayan, so sa buwan ako tumitingin. As they say, if you're down, just look up. Ayan, ganun po. Okay, and maganda pong stargazing. In fact, I would like to invite everybody to watch my online lecture, The Beauty of Stargazing. Actually, mamayang gabi, yan, October 23, Sabado, about 7:30 ng gabi mamaya. Okay, so yeah, that's The Beauty of Stargazing. Okay po mga ka-spacers, so that's our waning gibbous moon. So again, sa mga nakatutok po ngayon, maraming salamat. Kay Miss Emily Castillo Baron. So if you're in the education field, yan, pakishare na lang po sa mga students nyo. And don't worry, Sir Jesse James, may mai-inlove sa'yo. Yan, siguro pag medyo pwede na mag-telescope viewing sa public, yan. Mali mo, may mamit ka doon. No? Alright, so yan, sabi ni JP Baribar, maraming salamat daw sir. Madami po akong natutunan. Yan, nakaka-relax sumilip sa nights kayo. Tama yan sir, JP. Talagang nakaka-relax nga. Okay, and sabi ni Colt Vega, live long and prosper. Okay Sir JP, marami pong salamat. And kumusta na lang po kina Sir Rainier and kina Sir Jerry Enriquez, yan. So mga kaibigan po natin sila sa DepEd EdTech unit. So it's been an honor po na makasama ko kayo sa webinar na yan. Sana maulit po. Yan, maraming salamat Sir JP. Alright, so yan, we have marami rin po nanonood ngayong gabi. Talagang gising pa ho kayong lahat. Okay, so time check. It's 12:36 na ng madaling araw. Early morning of October 23. And again, sa mga katututok lang po ngayon, we are viewing the waning gibbous moon at about 95% illumination. Ayan, so doon sa mga nagre-react, again, maraming salamat po. Talagang I'm so elated po at nanonood po kayo. Akala ko walang manonood pero talagang nagulat po at maraming nanonood ngayon. Maraming salamat. Pati mga estudyante ko nanonood. Okay, so again, marami pong salamat kina Miss Emily Baron, Sir Jesse James, Sir Amit Dixit, Rainier Jeronimo, Saint Benliro, Francis Bedania, Colt Vega, Miss Cheryl Castillo. Like and share po ma'am, marami pong salamat. Mr. Paul Eugenio, Jet Ramirez, Benjamin Reyes, aking mga students, si Miss Chantel Estepona, JP Baribar, marami pong salamat sir. Sophia Arwen Gwyneth Ragay, nasa Visayas siya. Mag-ingat kayo ma'am at may LPA po dyan. Miss Hannah Tan and Mr. Alexander Kabatingan Monte. Okay, so kung may mga questions po kayo about the moon, just type type in your questions sa ating comment section. Okay, and kung gusto niyo lang po magpa-shoutout, i-type niyo lang po yung pangalan and kung pwede po yung location para alam din po natin kung saan nakakaabot ang ating online telescope viewing this early morning of October 23. Okay, and again, marami pong salamat sa inyong pagtutok. Sana wag po kayong magsawa at kung clear po yung skies, gagawin po natin ito. Because we would like to bring the telescope to you po, mga ka-spacers po natin dyan. And sana maging normal na rin po yung ating buhay para we can go back to public telescope viewings. Kasi iba talaga po pag yung nakasilip po kayo sa eyepiece ng telescope. Hindi lang po yung webcam yung nakakabit and viewing the moon dito sa screen ng inyong laptop or cellphone. Iba talaga po pag nakasilip po kayo sa eyepiece ng telescope. So ipanalangin po natin na sana maging normal na ang ating mundo. So magpabakuna na po kayo mga ka-spacers kung hindi po kayo nagpapabakuna. Okay. So ayan po yung ating waning gibbous moon tonight at 95% illumination. Okay guys, so please like and share po ha. Like and share this online telescope viewing, and I will be posting this online telescope viewing also on YouTube. So please like and share my YouTube channel also, The Science Guy, Professor Jun Cajigal. Diyan ko po siya ipopost dun sa YouTube, The Science Guy, Professor Jun Cajigal. Okay po. So again, marami pong salamat and sana marami po kayong natutunan ngayong umaga, this early morning of October 23. And again, you are watching the waning gibbous moon at 95% illumination. Alright, so I guess that's about it. Ayan po, ayaw ko na pong patagalin at gusto ko na rin po kayong matulog para makabuild po tayo ng resistensya at hindi po tayo magkasakit. Okay, so thank you po sa mga nakatutok po ngayon gabi, and ingat po tayong lahat. Always wear your face mask and face shield. So this is your ka-spacer and Space Commander Sir Jun Cajigal saying live long and prosper. Alright po, so marami pong salamat. Gusto ko lang po pasalamatan yung aking mga officers sa Vedan Society of Young Astronomers. Marami pong salamat sa aking presidente na si Miss Angeline Kilang. And again, gusto ko pong pasalamat sa mga ka-spacers natin out there na walang sawang nakatutok po sa atin. Okay, so ingat po tayong lahat and stay safe everybody. Ayan, sabi ni Miss Gwyneth Ragay, aside sa reflective, ano pa ba yung ibang type ng telescope? So sige po, bago tayo magtapos, sagutin po natin yung tanong ni Miss Ragay. So we have the refracting telescope that uses lenses. Yan, and yung reflecting that uses mirrors, so si Isaac Newton yung gumawa nun. And we have a catadioptric telescope that uses both reflective and refractive elements. Meron din po tayong radio telescope, yan, that picks up radio signals from outer space. So Miss Ragay, just tune in. Meron po akong lecture about the telescope sa aking YouTube channel. So panoorin niyo po yan, Miss Ragay. Alright, so maraming salamat and always stay safe. Goodbye po. Good morning to everybody. Maraming pong salamat. Thank you. Bye-bye.